Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Cinnamoroll on a skateboard. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the mouth. In the middle, let's draw a curve on an angle. Then let's curve it up on both ends. And now a V-shaped curve underneath on an angle as well. Next, let's add the eyes. Let's draw an angled oval on the left here. And the same thing on the right. Next, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's draw a curved line on the top here, following that same angle. Next, underneath each side, let's leave a gap and we're going to draw a curve down and then bring it underneath the mouth. Now let's draw an oval curve on each cheek. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the ears. Let's start on the top left of the head and let's draw an S-shaped curve down and out like this. And now let's do the same thing from the top right. Now for the ends, let's curve it down. And now let's curve it back into the head. And now let's move inside the end of the right ear and let's draw two stars. And let's make the second one a little bit bigger. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw the first arm. Let's draw a curved V shape down like this. And now let's hop over on the right and let's draw the other arm going up and down. Now let's draw the sides of the body. For the left side, let's hop up and let's draw a curve down like this. And for the right side, we're going to start at the bottom of the arm and curve it down. Remember to keep everything on the same angle as the head. Next, let's hop down and draw the feet. From the bottom left, let's draw a curved V shape down and back in. And for the right foot, we're going to start inside and we're going to draw a curve up, down, and back up like this. And now let's close off the bottom of the body by drawing a curve over to the left foot and continue it in slightly. And that's it for the body. Next, let's add the tail on the left. Let's start next to the left arm and let's draw a curve down to the foot. And now inside, let's add a swirl. And that's it for Cinnamoroll. Next, let's add the skateboard. Let's start next to the tail and let's draw a curve out and down. Now let's curve it down and over to the right. Now let's continue it up and over to the right. And then a curve over from the right foot to close it off. Now let's hop back over to the left side and let's start by drawing a curve underneath. And then one more curve at the end. Next, let's add the wheels underneath. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve. Now let's leave a gap and let's hop over and let's draw another U-shaped curve down. Now from the bottom, let's curve it over to the left and up. Lastly, let's add one more wheel on the back here. Let's start with the U-shaped curve. And then from the bottom, let's curve it in. And that's it for skateboarding Cinnamoroll. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!